Quick takedowns. Eric, you gotta get back, guy.
Try and lower your level, Eric. Like, take him out sometimes and shoot.
Oh yeah, you're telling him what's gonna happen.
Well, it works.
Kinda, sorta. I'm gonna drink his sangria like it's fucking water. Some Miami women, tan line showing. Oh, you gotta like sweep it. Yank it towards you, Eric. Yank it towards you. Pull, Eric. Pull. There you go. There, you got your. Whoa, Esteban. Oh, Eric, get the choke. Get the choke in the front. What are you doing? You don't need to get to the back. No point. Choke in the front, Eric. Remember how I did it? Come on, guy.
Eric, get hip pressure. Get off your knees.
Eric, Eric, shoot your hips into him. Like, let him get on top of you.
Get your
Hold it.
armpit.
Yeah, now, lift up, Eric. Lift up. Now pull. There you go.
Oh crap!
See, Taz. Come on, Eric. Don't stop, guys. You almost got him. You were the first one to tap on Esteban.
You get your force with your left arm.
There, he got his neck turned too. Pull, Eric. Pull.
No,
No, yes, he does.
He doesn't have it.
Yes, he does. If he doesn't let go.
Get out there.
Woo!
Damn.
Go, keep going. One more minute. Eric's winning this round.
And it'll be tied.
Near tap, shit. And he's tired, Eric. He's tired. You can't tell. He's tired.
Ooh.
Woo!
Watch the heads, guys.
He got big ass chrome dooms. Eric, remember I told you to do that? I didn't do it.
You guys got 30 seconds left.
Just do it. It's gonna work.
Nothing would be a tie.
Yeah. He doesn't have to wrestle again later. Oop. Take it down.
Oop.
Take him down.
20 seconds. Oh. Trip him up.
Eric, sit down.
If you can get him on the ground.
Sit down, Eric. He's gonna come with you. Just trust me. Oh my God.
No, lean forward on his hip. Lean on his hip.